Sometimes we say this to ourselves in silence. I understand English, but I can't speak it. If yes, don't worry. You are not the only one. Many people feel the same. They listen to English songs. They watch English movies and videos. They understand the meaning. They know many English words. But when they open their mouth to speak, nothing comes out. They feel nervous. They feel stuck. Some people even say, my mind goes blank. Words don't come. Something stops me. Does this happen to you too? It's okay. You are not weak. You are not bad at English. You just need a little help. You need some simple tips. You need easy steps. That's why this video is here to help you, to guide you, to show you the real reason why you can understand but not speak, and to show you how you can fix this slowly, step by step, in very easy English. No big words, no difficult grammar, just real help in a simple way. Are you ready? Let's begin your English speaking journey. Why this happens? You may understand English very well. You watch English movies. You watch YouTube videos in English. You listen to English songs. You read books, newspapers, or short stories in English. And you understand the meaning. That's very good. It means your brain knows many English words. It means you can follow the language. But when it's time to speak, you stop. You feel confused. You feel nervous. Why does this happen? It's simple. You don't speak English often. You don't use your mouth to say the words. You only listen or read. But speaking is a different skill. Speaking needs practice. Your brain and mouth must work together. This only happens when you practice speaking. Let's understand it with an example. Imagine you watch cooking shows every day. You watch a chef make pizza. You know all the ingredients. You know the steps. But if you never enter the kitchen, can you make good pizza? No. Watching is not enough. You must try it. You must cook. Only then you become better. Same with English. You listen, you understand. That's watching. Speaking is like cooking. You must do it. You must try. Yes, in the beginning it feels hard. You may make mistakes. That's okay. It's part of learning. But if you don't speak, you can never speak well. That's the reason why you feel stuck. You understand English, but you don't practice speaking. So now it's time to change that. Let's learn how to speak with confidence. Fear is a big problem. Now, let's talk about one big reason why people don't speak English. That reason is fear. Yes, fear is a big problem. Many people feel shy when they speak English. They are afraid. They think, what if I make a mistake? What if I say the wrong word? What if people laugh at me? They feel nervous inside. Their heart beats fast. Their hands feel cold. Their mouth becomes dry. So they say nothing. They stay quiet. They don't speak English at all. But listen carefully. This fear is normal. Many people feel the same. Even smart people, even grown-ups, even students. So you are not alone. Now, here is something very important. Making mistakes is okay. It's part of learning. Nobody speaks perfect in English in the beginning. Even native English speakers make small mistakes. Think about babies. When a baby learns to talk, does the baby speak perfect words? No, the baby says wrong words. The baby says funny things, but the baby keeps trying. The baby doesn't say, I will stop talking. The baby laughs and tries again. You must do the same. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't be afraid of people. Good people will not laugh at you. Good people will help you. So speak with courage. Speak with confidence. Even if your grammar is not perfect, it's okay. Your English will improve day by day. But for that, you must start speaking. Fear will go away slowly, but only if you keep trying. So speak, make mistakes, learn, grow. You are learning. You are trying. That is enough. Keep going. No practice, no fluency. Let's understand something very simple. If you don't practice speaking, you will never become fluent. It's like a rule. No practice, no fluency. It's just like learning any skill in life. Think about riding a bicycle. Can you learn it by watching videos? Can you become good just by reading a book about bicycles? No. You must sit on the bicycle. You must ride. You will fall. You will feel scared, but slowly you will learn. The same thing is true for English speaking. You can read books. You can watch English videos. You can understand grammar. But if you don't open your mouth and speak, you will never feel confident. You will never feel free while speaking. Fluency does not come in one day. It comes slowly with daily speaking practice. Even 5 to 10 minutes every day can make a difference. Speak to yourself in the mirror. Talk to your friends in English. Join a group. Use simple words. Don't wait for perfect English. Just start. Your mouth and brain must work together. When you speak again and again, your brain gets faster. Your mouth becomes more comfortable. Your fear becomes smaller. Practice is the secret. No one becomes a good speaker without practice. Even great English speakers today, they all started with small steps. They made mistakes. They felt nervous, but they did not stop. Start speaking today. Even if it's just a little, it will help you more than you think. How to practice at home? Now you may ask, how can I practice English speaking at home? Can I do it alone? Yes, you can. You don't need a special class. You don't need to live in an English speaking country. You can practice at home every day. Here are some easy and powerful ways. Describe things around you. Look around your room. Say what you see in English. This is my chair. My fan is on. There is a book on the table. This helps you think in English. Use shadowing. Play a short English video or audio. Pause after each sentence. Repeat what they say. Copy their voice, tone, and speed. This will improve your speaking and listening together. Read aloud. Pick a short story or a small article. Read it aloud every day. This helps your mouth and tongue get used to English sounds. Record your voice. Speak about any topic. Record your voice, then listen to it. You will learn what you do well and where you can improve. Use daily sentences. Practice daily use sentences like, how are you? What's your name? Can I help you? Use them again and again. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar. You need daily speaking practice. Speak a little every day. Practice at home. Be regular and you will become confident. Finally, you can speak English now. You understand the truth. You understand English. That is great, but speaking needs something more. It needs practice. It needs confidence. And it needs time. Don't feel sad if you cannot speak fluently today. Don't say, I can't do it, because you can. You really can speak. Remember this. You are not weak. You are not slow. You are learning, and learning is a journey. Many people in the world speak English. They were not born with perfect English. They learned slowly, just like you, step by step, day by day. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need big words. You just need to start speaking. Start small. Use simple sentences. Make mistakes. Smile and keep going. That is the best way to learn. Say to yourself, I'm learning. I am improving. I can speak English. Believe in yourself. Your voice is important. Your words matter. You have something to say. So speak. Speak with confidence. Speak with courage. Even if your English is not perfect, it is your English, and that is beautiful. You don't need to wait for the right time. Today is the right time. Start now. Speak now. And remember, you are not alone. Millions of people are learning like you, and one day you will speak English freely with a smile on your face. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's Harry, and I hope you enjoy today's video. See you next time.